the fastest way to make $10,000 per month is with high ticket. So what's high ticket exactly? High ticket typically means you sell something expensive. For example, if you sell houses, you sell something very high ticket because houses are very fucking expensive. The opposite of high ticket is low ticket. So cheap things, for example, you buy a candy bar, it's low ticket, it's not very expensive, pretty much anyone can buy it. But for high ticket, there's fewer buyers, it's more inaccessible. And there's also something in the middle called mid-ticket. So that's usually things priced at a few $100s. High ticket really starts at $1,000 to $2,000. Anything below that is mid-ticket or low ticket. Now if you're wondering, okay, which one is the best? Is high ticket the best? Well, not necessarily, because each of these models, high ticket, low ticket, mid-ticket, they all have their pros and their cons. For example, with high ticket, you make more money per customer and you work with less customers. So that's the upside, but it can also be a downside. Because let's say you make $10,000 a month and each client is paying you $5,000. Well, you have two clients to make $10K per month. That's nuts, right? Because if you sold something for $10, you would need way more customers. You'd probably have to do more customer support as well. However, technically, if you make $10,000 a month selling a $10 product, assuming you have the same profit in either situation, you have more freedom if more people buy the product. Why? Because if you lose a client and they pay you $10, I mean, it doesn't even make a dent in your income. You don't care. Like you can get anyone to pay you $10 pretty much. You run some ads and that's it. However, for high ticket, well, if you lose a client that pays you $5K per month and you make 10 grand per month, well, you lost half your monthly income. So as you can see, that's one of the downsides of high ticket. The other thing is that you can't just make any offer a high ticket offer. You can't just sell some random stuff, slap an expensive price tag on it, and call it a high ticket offer. Usually, a high ticket offer needs to be something that helps people solve a painful problem. And here I'm talking about digital products, but technically that can still be applied to, for example, any other high ticket thing that people would buy, like a house. Because you buy a house because, hey, you want to solve the painful problem of not having shelter. Or maybe currently you live in a not so good environment and you want to move into a better environment, get more career opportunities, etc. Whereas a candy bar, I mean, you're never going to sell it for $10,000 because it doesn't really solve a problem. Like it's just for fun almost. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.